Hey everybody, welcome back. I got something very handy for you today. This is the Roaring Fire Tinder Tactical Organizer Pouch. Let's check it out. Alright everybody, welcome back. So I got this from Roaring Fire. I want to thank them for sending it to me for review. This is something that I think I'm going to really put to use actually in the channel and in my daily life when going out camping or anything like that. This is a multi-purpose pouch. It's got two compartments. It's designed for everyday carry. So if you want to use this as an EDC kind of side bag or merce, did I just say that? You can. You can use it for camping, hiking, or just to organize your everyday gear. It's got a removable strap, so you can carry it over one shoulder or cross body. I have it pulled all the way out because I was just trying it on for size to see how I liked it. It does have molly webbing on the back, so you can attach this to something. You can just carry this like a pouch. It's got a little handle, so you can take the straps off if you want. Probably going to leave them on there because when I'm going to do any kind of outdoor stuff, I like having something I can just throw over across my body, across my chest like that, from one shoulder to the other, and just kind of wear it sideways and I can get it everything I want. What I'm going to be using this for is for Tinder and for fire starting stuff and everything, kind of hence the name. But you don't have to use it for that. You can use it for anything. Now in the front, you have a little bit of Velcro. So if you decide to stick a morale patch on there, you can. These have YKK zippers, okay? All nicely, easily pulled. Your zipper pulls are heat shrink tubing. Okay, so that'll better protect the zipper. You're not pulling it all over the place. I'll give you a close-up on that. I know it's black and it's kind of hard to see the detail, but you can see the heat shrink tubing on the end, and a little knot in the paracord, and the YKK zippers. So they move very, very easily. You know, normally when you get new kind of Cordura nylon stuff, it's always like you got to really pull it. This stuff just smoothly glides back and forth. Really, really nice kit. Another thing I like about this is the orange inside, okay? You got that bright orange inside the bag. So everything you put in there really stands out. We're going to pack this with some fire gear, you know, some fire starting gear, and we're going to see how that works. But I really, really like that feature. Let me open this up all the way. So you got lots of room in here. I mean, even this pocket alone would be enough to toss a cell phone into, you know, use for your everyday carry stuff, maybe your wallet, business cards, keys, whatever. Definitely a handy little item, and it feels very, very well made, okay? So it's perfect for your everyday carry tools, survival gear, fire gear, whatever. This will fit into your little plan there. The main compartment contains two big mesh pockets, okay? So you have one on each side. I have to remember it's not pointing down there. Pick it up for you. This one has a Velcro closure on it. This one's just open. You do have some loops through here. You got a loop and a loop. So you got two loops that way. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to put everything in here, but I'm going to show you the stuff that I'm going to stick in there, and we're going to try it out. The nice part about having these loops inside is that stuff doesn't just fall out when you open it all the way up. If I open this all the way up, if I've got something in those loops, it's not just going to flop out on the ground. So I do like that feature. Now the outer pocket, okay, this outer pocket has 6 elastic loops inside to fit pretty much anything you want, from a first aid kit, small one, or a medical survival kit, whatever. Anything can fit in there. Now this is 1000D Cordura fabric, okay, double RC class YKK zippers. They are reversed for your protection, so you don't cross thread them. They put them in backwards, so it's a little bit easier to move, and they don't jump off the trail as much, the track as much. They definitely move very smoothly. That's the first thing I noticed about this. Normally when you get new nylon, it's pretty stiff and the zippers are a nightmare. This thing moves really, really smooth and easy to use. So you can pretty much do whatever you want with this as far as your gear. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with it. It does have some outside attachments too if you wanted to snap some stuff on there. But I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with this real quick. We'll fill it up, and I'm going to actually use it either in the channel when I'm starting fires, or outside, you know, when I'm camping or hiking or whatever, maybe even going on a little day trip out on my electric bike. We'll see how it works. So let's get it filled up, and I'll show you what it looks like. Just to show you the capacity, this is the stuff we're going to try to stick in there. I have an Altoids tin with my flint and steel kit in it. I have a striker and a ferro rod that I made. Okay. I have an extra ferro rod just in case that one fails or breaks. I have some cotton balls in here with some petroleum jelly on them, and some dryer lint. A little tiny bit of fat wood in a bag. Some shavings, some wood shavings. These are really, really nice to catch fire really, really well. Some treated jute twine from Black and White Fire Starter. It has wax and magnesium in it. This Yellow Jacket fire starter from them as well is really good. And in here, I have not only lots of char cloth that I've made, but a little can to make more char cloth with. I like to make my char cloth out of old jean material, but anything cotton will really work well. So let's pack it all in there, see what we got. I did forget one thing. There's a little miniature knife. Now, I'm always going to have a knife with me, be it a pocket knife or a hunting knife or whatever, bushcraft knife, but it's a cute little addition. Could come in handy. If your main knife is broken or lost, you at least got something to slice some stuff and make some tinder. Anyway, let's get to work. All right, so we got everything packed in there, really, really easy. In front here, I have my char cloth holder and tin to make more char cloth if I need to. Okay, my extra ferro rod. In here, I have my piece of flint or chert or whatever that is. That is what I use for my steel rod inside. My striker, I have my little extra bit of some shaved up, this is, I believe, fat wood all shaved up. It came out of a fire kit that I was sent to review a long time ago. So that's why I'm kind of wondering what it was. That folds up nicely. Let's get into the main body of the kit. And again, this isn't a perfect fire kit. You can put whatever you want in. This is just what I'm going to put in mine. All right, so inside here, I have my what is it, Yellow Jacket fat rope, jute twine, my striker, my little tiny knife so it doesn't escape. My little tiny knife is in here. Okay. In here, my 2 pill bottles of my cotton balls treated with petroleum jelly and my dryer lint, and of course my ferro rod, striker, and the fat wood on in there. So all in all, fits in there nicely. There's the striker. And pretty easy to get at all in all. I mean, maybe I put this behind there and that here. I'll work it out more as I use it. But I definitely like the kit. I think it's going to be a really, really handy addition to my outdoor gear. And it doesn't break the bank either. I mean, I've seen some of these small little EDC pouches for like $50, $70, $100. These go for, what are they, $36.99. And I will put a link down below so you can check them out down below there. And I think it's going to be a nice little kit. I'm going to hang it up over my other table there where I have my radio test area. And whenever I need a fire kit, I just grab it and go. Now, all my bug out bags and other gear, of course, have fire kits in them. This isn't my only fire kit. So that's why I'm going to play around with this and learn as I use it more. And we'll see how we like it. So that is the Roaring Fire Tinder Tactical Organizer Pouch. They have some amazing stuff. I've done videos for them before. Their roll-ups and everything. So definitely check them out. They have some really nice gear, very well made, will sustain pretty much anything you put it to, abuse-wise, and I'm definitely pleased with it. Anyway, folks, don't forget to check out all our links down below. We have our Amazon affiliate store. That's where this will be in. I will put a link to it directly there. Our freeze-dried wholesaler link. That link saves you 15%. Click on the link, go there, shop, and you'll automatically save 15% just for using my link. No codes, no anything else. Our My Patriot Supply link, that's preparewithiridium.com. It's below there. You can save $50 on a 4-week food kit for you and your family to keep them safe in this ever-changing, crazy world we're going through. And our Thrive Life freeze-dried food store as well for your food storage needs. Anyway, folks, I thank you for watching. Stay safe and stay prepared.